It was just another day of development. I wasn't chasing dreams, just deadlines, the kind where working meant barely hanging on. My hierarchy was chaos, my FSMs were spaghetti, but I didn't care. As long as things moved, I call it progress. If it ran, it was fine. If it didn't explode, it was perfect. I didn't know it yet, but something ugly was already crawling under the hood, and I had no idea what would walk through that door in a minute. Then there came the knock. 3 taps, not too loud, not too polite, the kind of knock that means business. She walked in wearing blue nose and bad intentions. Playmaker. Smooth interface, dangerous curves, all no-code and smile that hides infinite loops. She said Unity was having spikes, CPU spikes. I told her that's just how it is. She looked at me like I was a fool. That's what every rookie says before the crash. That's when I knew this wasn't going to be another debug session. This was a case. But how a rookie just like me supposed to solve a case like this? So I did what I always do. I went to the streets. They call him GPT, street informant of digital slums. You give him a question, he gives you a rumor. And this time he said, find the profiler. The city looked different now. Every alley felt sluggish, every light flickered with delay, even the rain fell in frames. And when I met him, he didn't talk much, but when he did, he showed you things you did want to see, and I had a feeling this case was about to get a whole lot uglier. Frame time 48 milliseconds. Your bleeding performance were everywhere. The first name on the list, create object, sounded harmless, domestic. But under the hood it was mass production gone mad. Every time I called it, Unity built a new copy from scratch. 1, 10, 100, each one showing up doing its thing, then vanishing, but not really gone. Memory filled with bodies that never got buried. The profiler slid a folder across the table. You're not deleting, you're hoarding. Clean up or crash. So I built a pool, not for swimming, for recycling. Instead of creating and destroying, I activate and deactivate. No construction, no mess, just in, out, back in line. The city started breathing again, but deep down I knew it wasn't over. Cases like this never end clean. I thought I cleaned the house, but the profiler wasn't satisfied. He pointed to another pattern, something smaller, more subtle. It hid in plain sight, 2 words every frame. I froze. Those cursed words, the rookie mistake. I had used them everywhere, checking health, checking distance, checking if the player blinked wrong. Every frame, checking if the apocalypse is arrived. You're not managing logic, you're running surveillance. He was right. I wasn't programming, I was interrogating my own code every 0.016 seconds. So I changed. I waited for events to come to me. I stopped asking, started listening. When health changed, it told me. When position shifted, it shouted. When enemies died, they sang. The city quieted down, the fan slowed, but peace never lasts. Then it hit me, the real twist, the client, the one feeding me cases all this time. Playmaker. She wasn't a client, she was the setup. Every node, every connection, promises wrapped in user-friendly UI. Sweet, simple, dangerous. I twin is in out, called 47 times this frame. Heap allocation 2.3 megabyte. The numbers didn't lie. She'd been licking memory behind my back, every twin a needle, every curve a cut. I thought she was helping me move faster, but she was the reason I was sinking. I cornered her in the graph. You did this to me. No, darling, you just pressed play. Her words hit harder than the garbage collector And then I finally looked at the evidence. Every pop-up ran 2 or 3 twin actions at once. Ease in, ease out, bounce for flare. Twin on enter, another on exit. Bouncy scale up, scale down. Menus layered on menus. The same UI opened and closed a dozen times a minute. The twins kept running underneath. It wasn't Playmaker. It was me offloading animation logic to twin actions, asking them to perform miracles every frame, everywhere. Silence stretched 100 frames long. Then it landed. She was right. So I did what I should have done from the start. I put the tricks back in the back. So I stripped it down to the bones. No shortcuts, no handouts, just Unity's animator. Clean, deliberate, under my control. UI and scene motion became animation clips on Unity's animator. One controller per feature. Frame by frame, the noise faded. Profiler watched in silence, then gave me a slow nod. These days, I'm different. Playmaker wasn't the villain, my lack of accountability was. The tween spam, the every frame checks, creating and destroying without any plans. I'm the one who wired the city this way and call it design. Now I keep graphs lean, I build like I mean it, I think of the future. Because I learned something from her and from the wreckage we made together. You can make it work, but if you don't make it right, it will come back for you. New project, new city, fresh start. This time I'll do it right. I'll optimize from the beginning. Later.